In this video, I'm going to show you how you could play Black Ops 2 in 2025 using this thing called Plutonium, or however you say it, right? So this is the website right here that you're going to go to, plutonium.pw, right? What you want to press, download, and you see this plutonium.exe, click on that. As you can see, it downloaded right here. Next, you're going to launch it. Wait, as you can see, it's updating everything. Alright, as you can see, I have now installed the Plutonium launcher. Next, to create a current account, you're going to copy and paste this link at the bottom. Paste it in. Oh, it's not pasting it, but you could just go, if you're on this site right here, you could just scroll down and press this link. Right, so now you're gonna register. I'm gonna just my password. I'm gonna just create a random password. Let's register now. Okay. Email. Just put in your email. Just put in a random email. Now press submit, and boom. What you're gonna do now is you have to confirm your email. So go to the email you put in, and there should be a link. I'm gonna do it on my phone right now. Okay, my email is now confirmed. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, once I'm done, I'm gonna copy my password because it's something random, but now you're just gonna log in. Okay, and as you can see, I am now logged in, and you have multiple games right here that you could play. Alright, so what you want to do is if you're trying to play Black Ops 2, just you have Black Ops 2 multiplayer. Okay, so once you install the launcher, let me open it up. And I logged in. Now you're gonna put in your game files, right? So I'm gonna show you how you could do it. Go to here. You're gonna want to go to Steam app data. I'll show you how to do it. Just open up Steam. You're gonna go to the Black Ops game. I don't have it on this account, so I'm gonna just use Rainbow Six Siege as an example. But what you're gonna want to do, go to manage, browse local files. Okay, Steam apps, common, and here is gonna be all your games, right? And you need Black Ops 2 installed for this. So, oh wait, this is the wrong one. So here is gonna say Black Ops 2. You just press on that, copy the link at the top, and then put it in here, like just like that, and you're gonna click Black Ops 2, and yeah, that's basically it. Then you press play and it will work. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.